Hello, and welcome to KMZ News. Today we will be talking about the Lewis and Clark expedition.
First off, Jefferson had bought a lot of the land, called the Louisiana Purchase. This land was unknown to the French at the time, and Jefferson had made Congress approve $2,500 for an exploratory expedition west.
To lead this mission was Meriwether Lewis and William Clark. Lewis and Clark had begun their expedition on May 21st, 1804, and they had 33 other men to make up the Corps of Discovery. The Corps met with the Sioux Indian tribe, nearly creating hostilities until both sides retreated. Sacagawea also played a big role in helping with the expedition. She guided Lewis and Clark across the West and translated for the many Indian tribes they ran into.
Both came back with many interesting journal entries and discoveries, and they had plenty of drawings and descriptions about what they found. Now off to Zev to talk about Lewis and Clark's discoveries.
Thanks, Madeline. We have reports that Lewis and Clark found tons of new plants and animals on their expedition. I don't have information on all of them right now, but I do have a list of some of the things they found. Here's one of the animals, the black-billed magpie. It was first found on September 16, 1804, and lives in open woodlands and savannas. Here's another one of the amazing animals they found, the mule deer. They tend to dwell in areas such as forests, foothills, and mountains. Lewis and Clark were the first to name this animal. It was discovered on September 17, 1804. The next animal on our list is the coyote. They first write about it in their journal on September 18, 1804. It lives in most places, from wide open plains to this. Lewis and Clark referred to them as prairie wolves, but they were later officially named as coyotes. This next image is a four-winged saltbush. It usually grows in dry, often salty soil areas and brushy areas. It was first discovered on September 21st, 1804. This plant is actually poisonous to animals due to the high level of selenium that it pulls from the ground. This next and final picture is of a pretty little flower called an aromatic aster. It seems to grow mostly in dry prairies and rocky or sandy open sites. It was first found on September 21st, 1804. And this is all the info we have at the time, but you saw it here first at KMZ News. Back to you, Madeline.
For those fascinating reports and the great descriptions of the animals and plants they found. You heard it here first on KMZ News. Stay tuned for next time.